iPhone emergency tip number 3. In this one, it's all about being able to receive calls anytime, day or night. Right now, if you take your phone and you put it on vibrate and you take a nap, or you just have the phone on vibrate, maybe you forget, and one of your loved ones is trying to call you in an emergency, you're not able to get notified because you maybe are taking a nap, you're doing something, you got busy. So what we're going to do is I'm going to walk you through exactly step by step how you're going to set up a contact and use what's called an emergency bypass. And then you can choose if this person calls you, even with your phone on silent, it'll ring through. If this person texts you, you have that option. You can choose one, just phone, or just text, or you can do both. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So grab your phone.
Okay, go ahead and click on phone. From here, pick whatever contact you want to be able to use the emergency bypass function. I'm going to use the babysitter from our last example. And all you're going to do is go to that contact. In the top right, you're going to click on edit. Once you click on edit, scroll down, and where it says ringtone default, what I want you to do is click on that. And right there, you can set up emergency bypass. And like it says, it will allow sounds and vibrations from this person, even when the ring switch is set to silent, or even if focus is on. So you click done here. And if you want to be able to receive texts, you'll turn that on and click done there as well. One thing to keep in mind is if you're in a meeting and this function is set up for somebody, they will be able to go through and you'll still hear that ring. So just keep that in mind.
So funny story, when I first started TikTok, I accidentally put my number out in a video that went viral. And for about 2 months straight, my phone was ringing nonstop. So I actually had to use this function so my family could get through to me in an emergency, because otherwise I wasn't able to sleep at night because my phone was ringing around the clock. So I could put my phone in vibrate, but yet if a loved one had to get a hold of me, they could still do that. So I guess a side tip, bonus tip, don't put your name out on social media, or excuse me, not your name. Don't put your phone number out on social media. It can cause a lot of headaches. But hey, if you like this video, give me that thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button, and check out this video playlist right here to make you an expert on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.